Hello my friends. With Halloween approaching, I thought it would be fun to draw a Disney, not-so-scary Halloween character from Monsters University. The character I selected to draw is Scott Squibbles, known as and called Squishy, for the ease of line creation and the fact he's actually not scary. At least not at first sight. You can copy this grid to help use as a guide, or just draw on plain paper. In the Disney movie Monsters University, Scott is a 19-year-old college kid who is trying to define himself, although he doesn't look that old. Squishy has not selected what to study as his major at the Monster University. He is unattached and thinks of himself as uninteresting. He's childlike, non-threatening, trusting, and naive, sharing his emotions easily with others, be they good or bad. You can still find him living with his loving, doting mother, who feeds him and does his laundry. His mother allows him to use their house as a home base for the fraternity he belongs to. It is called Uzma Kappa. Squishy's uncanny special talent is sneaking up on people, even when he is not trying to scare anyone. He finds himself when he earns a place in the scaring program at the university. Don't be fooled by his small size and sweetness, because he can be very, very scary. As with all my creations, I try to present them at a speed where you will not be bored, but rather show them where they are interesting to you. I encourage you to use the YouTube settings icon on each video to adjust the speed you find the best to either draw the picture or just listen to the story as you watch the video. Have fun with this video and be sure to watch for more not-so-scary Disney Halloween characters to come. Have a happy, not-so-scary Halloween.